Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is John with Stout Tanks and Kettles. Today I have another box that our warehouse has packed, and we're going to open it up and find out what's inside. We have a T, we have an elbow, and we have another elbow. These are welded fittings for hard piping systems. At Stout Tanks and Kettles, we carry the Ultibend brand of our welded fittings. Why we chose Ultibend is for several reasons. One, they're dimensionally accurate every time, and the wall thickness is consistent. What this means for you when you're doing your welding project is you're going to save time and money on labor. And as we all know, welding labor is really expensive. So you can spend a little bit more on the parts, not much, and you're going to save multiple times that on your welding and labor expenses. In our store, we have hundreds of different varieties. We have 304 stainless and 316 stainless. Come on in, check us out. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.